Hey, what's up guys? JQ back with Tech Creation, where I use technology for recreation, back with a very quick video. So the Galaxy S20 is official, and here's what you need to know in just about 60 seconds. Alright, so we get three sizes. We got the S20, we got the S20 Plus, and the S20 Ultra, with the S20 Ultra being the star of the lineup, so that's the one we're going to want to pay attention to here. So while the S20 and the S20 Plus only feature 64 megapixel cameras, as if that wasn't enough, the Ultra has an outstanding 108 megapixel rear camera that's capable of 8K video recording, supports 8K video snap for high resolution 33 megapixel images, 100 times space zoom that lets you zoom in from a ridiculous distance thanks to the combination of optical and digital zoom. It's 5G ready, features a 5000 mAh battery, 45 watt fast charge, 12 gigabytes of RAM, a 6.9 inch display that's capable of 120 Hz refresh rate, and this dope single take feature utilizes all of the cameras simultaneously to intelligently choose the best shots for you by simply just waving your phone around. It'll go ahead and capture the best clips and images and even apply effects to them as well, and it's incredible how well this worked in demo. I'm so hyped for this phone. The Galaxy S20 is nothing less than a beast, and the Ultra is the model that I will be picking up. There's so much more we got to talk about, and we'll take a closer look at all of this in the full review. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch up in the next video. Peace.